So hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. You all mechanical engineer, today we are going to start a very important Menti session for all of you guys. And I hope this will, throughout this session, you all will enjoy. So just write in the comment section before starting the session, is everything fine or not? Yes, can you write in the comment section? Good evening, everyone. I hope you all are good evening, good evening. Just write in the comment section. All mechanical engineer, today we are going to start a very important Menti. Okay. Yes. So yes, I and Dheeraj sir, we are going to start a very important session for all of you guys. Good evening, good evening. Okay, so sir, yes, Dheeraj sir.
Yes, guys. So as you know, today is the final Menti War. As you know, already all the other subjects are being covered. Today the subjects are machine design and thermal. So this is the last Menti War of this series, and hope all of you would be doing well today. And guys, you know that both the subjects are of very much importance for GATE. As you know, for thermal, there is a huge weightage because basic thermodynamics, RAC, IC engine, power plant, these are the subjects which are being covered, and machine design, which is application of strength of material. So guys, today it is going to be very excitement because you can see this is a very important session for all of us. And guys, we will be starting, and you know what to do, as this is the last session. You need to go to the menti.com, and I will be showing you the code for that. Okay, code will also be shared in the comment section, so you can join from there as well. Okay, so I will be sharing the slide for that, so that you can see that. Okay, what is the code for today? I'm sharing the screen. I feel my screen is visible now. So this is the last Menti War between Dheeraj ke Daredevils and Sonu ke Real Heroes. And guys, thermal and machine design are the subjects. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to go parallelly with two screens. One is YouTube, obviously. Second, you need to go to the menti.com, and this is the code. And guys, for making up the team, as my name is coming in the starting alphabet, so from A to N, the students whose name are going to be started from A to N will be in my teams. Okay, and after that, from O to Z, they would be in Sonu sir's team. So let us see which team today is going to win. So hope for the best. And guys, definitely it is going to be a very excited war, because me and Sonu sir both are very much excited for this, as this is the final war as well. So dekhte hain aaj kaun jeetta hai. So Sonu sir, what do you say?
Yes, sir. Okay. So, yes, today is my best board teacher. Yes, okay, Utkarsh. I think, sir, Utkarsh have already studied before this platform, I think, because in the starting he told me. Okay, so again, rather than this Menti test, I would suggest to all of you, it must be a stress relieving for all of you. Because हो क्या रहा है, daily आप study करते जा रहे हो, and sometime you must feel that yes, there will be a knowledge, there will be a ranking position, and after that there must be some stress lift activity you will do. So you know very well, this is the last of the Menti series. I'll suggest to all of you, in between of this question series, if you feel any problem or any question rather than the subject, then me and Dheeraj sir is also in the same field since last 10 to 11 year, and definitely you feel a problem in any case, feel free to write in the comment section. We will try to help in any way. Okay, so and one more thing, for all the mechanical engineer, this hardly 10 to 12 days or 15 days are left. These are very critical days. So if a single day is going to skip by you without a study, then definitely it is going to create a very big problem for all of you guys. Okay, so koi bhi kahin bhi problem aaye, just feel free to ask, sir. So I think code is already mentioned, and yes, and so how many
Guys,
number of guys are joined? Let me
now?
check. Yes, sir. Sir, Dheeraj sir.
Can we start now? So guys, just use the code, come to menti.com, and guys, we are just showing the Menti screen as well, and this is the code you have to use. And remember that from A to N would be the student whose name are starting from A to N are in my team, and other than that, from O to Z would be in Sonu sir's team. So dekhte hain aaj kaun jeetta hai. So this is going to be a final Menti war. Yes, all of you, those who have already join the session, I would like to say like and share the session so that other student can also join. So now I am just stopping the share of my screen so that Sonu sir can share the Menti screen to all of you guys. Yes.
So before starting, so that we can start the session, can you tell us, sir, everything? Are you able to go on the menti.com or everything fine on that site so that we can start the first question? Yes, sir. I think we should start.
Yes, 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 sir.
Yes, sir.
Students are very fast in that. They know how to go because
Yeah, exactly.
this is the last war. I feel everybody is knowing how to enter into that.
Yeah. So regarding the Menti, I think they know better than us.
Yeah. because they are doing it on regular basis.
Exactly.
Yes.
So I think we should start. So right now 23 people are joined. Let me share the screen first of all, and after that, yes. So okay. So right now 23, 25, 26 people are joined. I'm expecting that when 30 will be touched, at that time we will start the session. Yes. Okay, Pradum. So on your call, let's start the session. First question will come from my side, that is thermal. Yes.
Yes, guys, be ready.
Be ready. The temperature of the rod is given. Time start. 90 seconds are given to you. Write the answer fast.
Yes, guys. So I feel today a lot of time is given.
Yeah.
So I hope everybody would be giving time.
We both have added some numerical problem. That is the reason.
Yes, today we are having, as per your request, we have some numerical questions today. So because of that, we are giving more time to you,
Yeah, exactly.
okay? So that you can solve it properly. So guys, now अब कोई बहाना नहीं चलेगा कि सर टाइम कम था, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं, ठीक है? तो अभी होना चाहिए. Everybody must do the question. And guys, also like and share the session. आज जनता कम लग रही है भाई, लास्ट वोर है तो लास्ट फाइनल में तो ज्यादा होने चाहिए लोग. हाँ, yes.
I think ये लोग थक चुके हैं सर, लग रहा है.
Some people
But last stage पे ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए. It is the last stage. You can't do like this.
yes, this is the time where you have to be self-motivated.
Yes.
So we are having around 16 questions today. So let us see who is going to win today.
Yes. Only 1 second left. Just pick the answer. Okay.
Okay. So
yes, sir. 12 people have picked the correct answer. So I'm expecting some more result out of this. Out of 26 people, 12 people have only ticked the right answer. But I am expecting that this is a very simple question. You all must try, and you can't say, sir, कि time बहुत कम था इसलिए problem हो गई. And let's see the leaderboard after that.
yes, guys. चलिए देखते हैं किसने बाजी मारी.
Yes.
So I feel
Academy NV, and after that Ayush, Champ, Lakshmikant.
So I feel, sir, first 3 students are from my team. So
yes, sir. First 3 also. Yes, exactly, sir.
Clear win till now. Okay. So let us move further. अभी बहुत जंग बाकी है. Okay, guys.
पूरा बाकी है, sir. It's just a starting.
Yes, sir.
So I think we should start the next question.
Now. Be ready now for the machine design question. Yes.
Yes. Okay, sir.
And the question is in front of you, guys.
Yes. Yes.
So, guys, this is the question. This is the question from fatigue loading, as the name suggests. Stress concentration factor is the ratio of. You have seen various types of stress concentrations. You know, endurance limit without stress concentration to the endurance limit with stress concentration. Endurance limit with stress concentration to endurance limit without stress concentration. Endurance limit with stress concentration to the factor of safety. None of these. Guys, I know this question is slightly new to all of you. Okay, let us see how many of you could think. But guys, this is a question which anybody can answer with the common sense if we have the idea, certain idea about what is stress concentration factor. You have studied theoretical factor, you have studied actual factor. You know one thing is common for both. You just need to use that one common thing. So let us see how many of you give the right answer. I know that this is slightly confusing question. So just be careful. Very good, guys. I would say that 11 students have given the right answer. Yes, I was expecting, because this question was slightly confusing, because generally when we say the stress concentration factor, generally people think that it should be, because there are confusion stages. Why? What is the reason for the confusion? Actually, the reason for the confusion is that KT or KF both are more than 1. So guys, you know that endurance strength is going to reduce due to stress concentration. So if it is going to reduce due to stress concentration, so the answer would be A. As you can see, more number of students have given the answer as B. So this was expected by me. So that's why I'm not shocked by looking at the results. I will say still it is a good attempt by the 11th student, because in that lesser time, that kind of things may result into the wrong answers. Yes, sir. Let's move further to the leaderboard.
Yeah.
Let us see
Leaderboard,
who are those students who have
exactly,
given that right answer.
So
Things have been
Byjus,
changed.
I think.
Yes. Sir,
Yes.
change is there, but in my favor only. It is still.
What exactly you all guys doing, यार? पता नहीं आप लोग कर क्या रहे हो exactly? After P.
Sir, I would like to say one thing. Capital Ajay is asking something. Dear, actually, to attempt this Menti quiz, you need to go to menti.com. In the comment section already passcode is mentioned. So just go to menti.com, use that passcode to answer, because you need to answer in the menti.com. Okay. So this is the Menti War. So go to menti.com. So you need to use parallelly 2 screens. If you have 1 laptop, 1 mobile, then also you can do it in that way. If you have 2 mobiles, you can open menti.com in one and on second YouTube. Also, you can have both the screens on 1 mobile phone as well. So it depends on your convenience. Okay, sir. I feel we shall move to the next one.
Yes. And I am just expecting from, yes sir, from Lakshmi Kant, Sanket and Guru Raj, at least up to आप लोग कर देना. This is the thermodynamic question. Third one is from thermodynamic. And I'm expecting you all guys will write the correct answer. Yes. The thermal efficiency of the hypothetical heat engine cycle shown in the figure is. It's a clockwise cycle. I have just discussed this question in the classroom number of times. So I think right now you will make the score in my side. इस बार आप जरूर स्कोर करोगे. Yes, write the answer fast.
So guys, this type of question you have seen in previous years exams many times. So intentionally these kind of numericals have been put by sir also, so that you can have a real-time feeling of exam. Okay, so time is given more, because I know it is difficult to handle 2 screens at a time. So for that purpose also we have kept more time, and also there is a lag of 8-10 seconds. So for all those things, covering all those factors, we are doing in that way. So guys, today's Menti quiz is very important, because you can see the level of question is similar to the GATE, and in the first, second question, many students have learned some new things also. So we are adding some newer things so that you can learn from these Menti wars as well. Okay, and maybe some of the questions are coming directly. Who knows? Okay.
And if the Dheeraj sir is making the question, I am making the question about thermodynamics, then definitely every time you will get some new question. Yeah. And these questions are not based on the formula or theory base. If you know the concept, then definitely you can write the answer in very easy way. Yes, Saurabh and Varun, okay. Yes, okay. 11th of people have picked the right answer, that is D for Delhi is the correct answer. Yes, absolutely right. What exactly you need to do, that is something related to the area of the TS diagram, nothing else. Okay, so anyway, 11 of you have just picked the right answer, and I'm very sure that right now leaderboard will change. Yes, Mahesh, leaderboard will change, and definitely it will change. Yes, see the leaderboard. Yes, Ayush and again Hitman. I think leaderboard change हुआ, but again in the favor of sir.
But sir, इस बार third position आपकी हुई.
Exactly.
Okay sir. चलिए next question की तरफ बढ़ते हैं.
Let's start the next question. Yes sir.
So guys, this time the question is from machine design. This time, let us see from which topic it is. It is going to be from bearings. Yes. So guys, the most suitable bearing for carrying very heavy loads with slow speed is option A, hydrodynamic, option B, ball bearing, option C, roller bearing, option D, hydrostatic bearing. Guys, the answer to this question is hidden in the question itself. Heavy loads at slower speeds. Heavy loads at slower speeds. For this type of question, the time given is already more. It should be given only 30 seconds, 40 seconds. We are giving more because we know that by changing the screen, it takes time. Okay, so for taking care of all those factors, okay. Hope you guys would be getting the benefit of that. And
Varun, don't write the answer in the comment, sir. Varun, don't write the answer in comment section. And already you need to go for the menti.com, and after that you have to use the code 60848639 and directly, because ranking is the important today, you know, sir.
Fine. So guys, 14 students have given the right answer. Guys, I would be telling you that when we are talking about hydrostatic and hydrodynamic, in hydrostatic, you are supplying the lubricant at higher pressure. So guys, when you are supplying the lubricant at higher pressure, you are providing the pressure. So even at rest condition, it can bear heavy loads. But in hydrodynamic, guys, the pressure is increasing because of dynamic action of shaft. So we cannot work with heavier loads at slower speed, because at higher speeds only it is capable of bearing that load. So I feel you got the concept. The answer would be hydrostatic. Okay, sir, let's move to the next one.
Yes. Let's see the scoreboard again. Yes, again, Ayush. Sarah, you are doing great. Yes, Sarah. Very good.
Yes.
It's on second position. Yes, sir. Definitely, next position will be from my side. I'm expecting.
बिल्कुल सर, बेस्ट ऑफ लक. इस बार टॉप 3 में दो अभी भी हमारे हैं, लक्ष्मीकांत और आयुष.
इज्जत रख लेना बाकी लोग जितने भी हो. एंड वन मोर थिंग सर, देयर इज वन क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम प्रद्युम्न. इसका सॉल्यूशन भी प्लीज सेंड कर दीजिए. एंड फ्रॉम दिस फ्रॉम आवर साइड आई विल सजेस्ट वन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, कि अगर आपको कहीं पे क्वेश्चन का डाउट लग रहा है, इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट इन द क्वेश्चन, देन वी ट्राई टू सॉल्व राइट नाउ. बट अगेन इफ इट इज अ न्यूमेरिकल टाइप, सो यू कैन राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, and tomorrow we will share the video solution in the group.
Sir, I will suggest they can also share the question in our Telegram channels, respective Telegram channels. Okay.
Yes.
So you will get solution there, because in Menti War, in between, we cannot go for solutions. Okay. So let's move further, sir.
Let's move for thermal. Yes. There 44 people are on YouTube and only 32 people are joining the Menti.com.
Guys, those who have not joined Menti.com, just come to this, because without entering into ground, you cannot feel the match. Okay. When there is an offer to be a player, why you are becoming audience? Enter into Menti.com with the given passcode in the comment section and join the war. This is the way to attempt.
This is the question from thermal. Internal energy depend upon the internal state of the body. It means it is related to like vibrational energy and intermolecular energy, something like this, related to first statement. And after that, internal energy is not the function of macroscopic position of movement. And third one, del Q is equal to PdV plus du is the valid for only reversible process. So just focus on this word only right now. And after that, just select the proper answer. Yes. Only 10 seconds are left. Okay. Yes. Maximum of you have tried the. Yes. C option. Answer is D. Okay. Let's see the leaderboard.
Kick mil rahi hogi is war mein. So guys, this is the final war, so question level is also like that. Otherwise, in all the questions, in all the wars, we have seen majority students are giving the right answer.
Right.
Yes. So I feel this time leaderboard is getting changed.
Definitely it will change.
So,
Neeraj, you are on top.
Hitman, all are from my team. Once again, you are out of race, sir. Okay, guys. So today,
Mahesh, what
I
you are
feel
doing?
final war would be won by me. I am expecting that. चलिए सर आगे बढ़ते हैं अभी भी
Actually, sir,
क्रॉस
I am lagging from the starting और ये लोग पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं. Yes. Okay. So this is from machine design.
Yes, guys. So this time once again from the bearing. Which one of the following is criteria in the design of hydrodynamic journal bearing? Option A, Sommerfeld number. Option B, rating life. Option C, specific dynamic capacity. Option D, rotation factor. I would like to say, guys, out of these four, there is only one thing which is used in the bearings, which is used in the hydrodynamic journal bearings. Okay, so that is going to be the answer. Let us see how many of you give the right answer. This time I am expecting the number to be quite more. Even the expectations are up to 100%. Those students who have not joined the Menti War till, guys, do join it. Without joining the war, you cannot get the feel of the war. Okay. बी ऑडियंस बने रहोगे तो फिर ऑडियंस ही रह जाओगे. ठीक है. Yes. Still 10 seconds, guys.
Yes, stick the answer.
3, 2, 1.
Time up. Okay, I think
Great.
right now, sir,
Great,
maximum
great.
of the people have ticked the right answer.
So this time, this is fine that I am happy with this. Great, guys.
So definitely there are few questions जो थोड़े आसान भी होने चाहिए. Yeah. So I think let's see the leaderboard.
For motivation. Yes, guys.
Again,
So
right now, Lakshmikant, Mahesh, you are
great.
also doing good. No, nothing changed.
Yes. Great, guys. So just go in the same way. Okay. Let's go further, sir. So now it's your turn. So guys, around 50 students are there in the YouTube, but in Menti they are less. Do join menti.com. Use the code given in the comment section. Even code is there on the screen. You can see 60848639.
Very easy, very important question. The triple point is the point on PV diagram, and after that it is the point on TS diagram, or it is the curve on HS diagram, or finally it is the triangle on UV diagram. Yes. So just try to select this point very carefully. It's the perfect time to just think, because right now maximum of you think that this we have studied somewhere और कुछ कैसे लगे कि पता ही नहीं था कहाँ से. Because number of time we study that triple point is just like a TP diagram, and after that we draw a point, but again it is not up to the point only. Yes, take the answer fast.
Yes,
only
guys.
3 seconds left. Great, 7 people. Yes, 7 of you have just take the right answer, that is C. Yes, triple point is the triangle, because maximum of you have drawn that triple point is the point on PV diagram. It's not a point on PV diagram, it's a line, right? Take this point very carefully. It's a line on PV diagram. That is the reason already we have mentioned. If we are just making the question from the design section from Dheeraj side and thermal section from my side, then definitely you will feel the problem in maximum of the question. Even these all questions are theoretical, sir. So let's see the leaderboard.
Yes, I feel that this was a really good question.
Exactly. And at that point, I'll just tell you, all of you, that there is a very important point. If the triple point diagram will be between extensive and extensive property, at that time your triple point diagram will be a triangle. Okay. So you can write this point somewhere, and when it is the extensive versus intensive, at that time your triple point diagram will be a line. Okay. So again, Ayush, you are on top. I think somewhere I'm feeling that I'm losing.
Sir, I feel there is a hope for you in Vladimir Putin, because he is covering fast.
Exactly.
Yes.
And also he's from Russia, I think.
He's fastest as well for this question.
So I think let's discuss the next question, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
So guys, this time you can see on the page, it is written www.menti.com. Use the code 608486339. Join the quiz. This time it is a numerical. A ball bearing by basic static capacity is 11,000 Newton. Dynamic capacity is 18,000 Newton. You must know which capacity is going to be used in the numericals, static or dynamic. This bearing is subjected to equivalent static load of 5,500 Newton. The bearing loading ratio and life in millions of revolution respectively is. So there is a term known as bearing loading ratio and life in millions revolution respectively are. Okay. So load life relationship will help you to find out the life. So once you will find out the life, you can answer the correct option. Okay. Even one thing, if you calculate, which I said, that is the life, you can answer it correctly. Many of you may not be aware of what is bearing loading ratio. So you need not to know for this question at least. Okay. And this term have never been asked in any of the exam. So intentionally I kept it here so that you can learn something new. Yes, guys, join it soon. Only 50 seconds, 55 seconds. Join fast.
I think, sir, time is more than sufficient for this question.
Yes. For numerical, 2 marks, 2 minutes are okay. Yes, guys, do join fast. I feel less number of students have joined for this question. Join it fast. Yes, guys, just answer it. Fine. 24 students have given the right answer. Guys, it's great. It is a very good thing because for this type of question, guys, you can see in the previous year's gate question, load life relationship from the bearing is coming every year. So don't believe on anyone. Just go through the previous year's question. This will give you the idea whether this session is useful for you or not. I hope you got it. So answer would be B. It's great. 24 students have given the right answer, sir. I feel we shall move to the next question. Students are really doing exactly well. They're really doing well. Yeah. Great. So for you guys, on your request, we have added the numerical today. Okay. So I feel Ayush have not given the right answer this time. So still there is no change. Fine.
Yeah, again, Ayush, you are on top, but definitely Neeraj just aapke piche hai.
Chaliye, sir.
Yes, just take the answer. This is a new concept which is added in the thermodynamic. Okay, I think one year this question was asked, matlab similar question was asked, not exactly this. So that is the reason intentionally this type of question I have added in thermal, that is related to the compressible flow, and you must know this part is added in the thermodynamic. Okay, so just take this question very seriously, and after that try to write the answer. If you will just get on this very important concept, then hardly in the 10 to 15 seconds you will give the answer. And after that, if you are even you don't know basic about this, then after driving the equation you can easily find the answer. That is the reason 1.30 second is given to you, 1.30 minute is given to you. Yes, Praveen, what is the answer? Just tick the answer fast.
Yes, guys. So you can see, guys, what level of questions we are adding to the Menti War. So I feel as this is a final Menti War, we have maintained that level of the exam as well, so that you can have the feel of, yes, it is a final war. Okay. So today only the students who would be doing really well, they are going to win the war. They are going to get the first position. Okay. Yes, guys. Only 10 seconds left.
Yes, so 10 seconds are left.
Fastly join the menti.com. Use the code 608486339. It is coming on your screen.
29 people have just given the answer, and out of 29, 14 have given the absolutely right answer, and I was expecting the same thing. Yes, at least 50% you have just given the right answer, and that is the reason, because if the new topic are added in the gate syllabus now, so don't feel that's the question yahan se aayenge hi nahi. क्वेश्चन आने के पूरे पूरे चांसेस हैं. सो एंड दीज थिंग यू कैन जस्ट फील, ऐसा नहीं कि यार अपने बस यहाँ पे बैठे हैं एंड जस्ट वी आर जस्ट पासिंग द टाइम. द रीजन इज दिस, यू कैन सी फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग टू द लास्ट कैसे चीजें चेंज हो जाती हैं. जस्ट वन क्वेश्चन कैन चेंज द स्कोर इन द गेट एग्जाम. यू कैन जस्ट फील योरसेल्फ.
So guys, as you remember, I always used to say this in your classes, that only one question can make you from PSU to IITs. Okay, one question can make you from IITs to, you can say, the new IITs, from older to new IITs.
I think you feeling the problem since last two questions.
Yes, I feel
exactly.
Ayush is not answering correctly from last two answers. So there is a chance that Neeraj would overpass in the next question. Yes. Let's move further.
Yes sir.
Next question is from machine design. Guys, abhi bhi mauka hai, so do join menti.com and participate in this wonderful war. Still 6 questions are left after this. This is from machine design, and guys,
this is the 10th question.
The question is once again from the bearing, a journal bearing with 60 mm diameter, 90 mm long, runs at 450 rpm. The oil used for hydrodynamic lubrication has absolute viscosity of 0.06 kg per meter second. The diameter clearance is 0.1 mm. Find out the bearing pressure. So my dear, for this you need to find out the bearing pressure. Solve this. It is a numerical, so the time given is more. Okay, and I feel many of you would be giving right answer. Again, the questions are coming in the upcoming slides from the clutches, from the gears as well. So guys, hope you would be giving the right answer. For this, bearing is a very, very important topic. Every year one question is coming either from the journal bearing or it is coming from the ball bearing. So guys, be ready for that. And these are the types of question which you will be having in the exam. So be ready for that. Yes, still 45 seconds left, guys. Those who have not joined yet, join the menti.com. Use the code 60848639. Code is already there on the screen. You can watch that. Yes, 30 more seconds are there. And do not answer in the comment section. Answer only and only in the Mentimeter. 20 more seconds, guys. 20 more seconds. Yes. Join fast. Nine students have given the right answer. As this was a numerical, I was expecting less student would be able to do. So guys, when you are going to find out this, you know the formula. If you remember the formula, you can very easily find out. So for journal bearing, you must know the Sommerfeld number. You must know the torque loss, power loss, and you also know the formula for the coefficient of friction. And guys, if you remember all these formula, bearing pressure, bearing characteristic number, you can very easily score 2 marks in this chapter. Okay, sir, let's move. I feel.
Yeah. Yes, sir. So let's see the leaderboard. Until now, we have discussed the 10th question, and you just take the screenshot of the leaderboard, and after that 6 questions are left. And in these 6 questions, all the things will change. Who is on top? It may be कि वो धीरे-धीरे change हो जाए. Yes. So you can just take the screenshot at question number 10 and at question number 16. Then scenario of this entire leaderboard will be different. Yes.
Sir,
so just join fast.
For you only there are 2 students so are your hope. Putin and Thalapathy. Okay, sir. Let's move to the question number 11.
Okay. So this is from Thermodynamic. And the question is on the screen. Yes, this is the question on the screen. Just try to write the correct answer. Generally, we have studied what is the efficiency of the simple Brayton cycle. Number of times we have tried to solve this question. But when it is the portion of the regenerative Brayton cycle, then definitely number of things will change. So that is the reason this question intensely I have added here. When simple Brayton cycle efficiency is calculated, then this formula is very clear. And in the first year of the engineering, you just memorize these all the thing, but whenever slightly things will change, then what will be the right answer at that time, just try to write or try to select the correct answer. Yes, just join this join the www.menti.com, and after that just insert the code 60848639. YouTube पे आंसर मत दो, कोई यहाँ पे मतलब नहीं रहेगा. You just write the answer. Only 56 seconds left. If you know that formula, if you know that basic, then all the thing or all these questions are very easy. Otherwise, you will face problem. Yes. Parveen, what is the right answer? Okay. Okay, maybe.
Fine guys, fine. जल्दी से एंट्री करिए menti.com. 60848639 is the code. I feel Ayush is not
the
there.
answer fast. After this question, just write in the comment section, is this image fine now, all of you? Is it visible to all of you? Because on our screen, I think everything fine. Just after the question, you write in the comment section on YouTube. Okay. Great. See the leaderboard. Yes. Okay. Yes, 11 of you have just picked the absolutely right answer. That is the 50% is the efficiency of the 50% is the efficiency of the regenerative Brayton cycle. And I am surprised to see the answer that maximum other than 11 people of you, 7 or 6 or 3 out of these 3 options, one option, that is the option for 7, is given, that you will just solve with the help of the simple Brayton cycle and you will get the answer. And number of time you see this situation in the GATE exam. If you are going to solve the problem in the wrong way, then one option at least you will get in the exam. And you always try to match the option, not for the correct answer. Yes. Okay. Okay.
Sir, I feel now Ayush is back.
Yes. So let's see the leaderboard. Yes, sir. I think things will change in this slide. I hope. Definitely. Slightly it is changing. Okay, no change till now. Only 3 and 4th position is changing again.
Okay, sir, let's move to the question number 12.
Be... Okay, there is the question from the Abhiram, but at the same time Mahesh has given the right answer right now. Even the efficiency of the Brayton cycle is very low, but when you will do the number of modifications, it is possible. And these efficiency, whenever you talk about the efficiency, so at that time you say the actual efficiency is not so much high. Here we all are discussing on the hypothetical thing right now. I think already Mahesh have given the absolutely right answer. Yeah.
So don't worry, if you still have any doubt, you can share the question in the Telegram channel. The solution would be shared. You can join my Telegram channel for my subject, Sonu sir's Telegram channel for Sonu sir's subject. So let's move to the next question. I feel we are left with 5 more questions. Fine, guys. So be ready for the machine design question now. It is coming onto your screen now. Join menti.com. Code is mentioned on the screen also. If you would be answering fast, you would get extra point. So Lewis form factor depends upon. This is a very easy question, guys. Lewis form factor is from gear design. So it depends on size of teeth. It depends on number of teeth. It depends on pressure angle of gear. It may depend on all of the above. Okay. All of the above means it depends on any of the above. You can say, okay. So it would be depending on size and also the number of teeth and also the pressure angle. So if you have attended my classes, in the classes, I have mentioned the general formula for one type of gears for this small y. There I have shown, and from that formula, if you have any hint of that, you can answer it very easily. Okay. So whether it is size, number of teeth, pressure angle, all of the above. Let us see how many of you give the right answer. Very good, guys. Very good. Majority of you have given the right answer. Great. Fine. Chali sir, let's move to the next.
Yes, sir. Let's see the leaderboard.
Sir, we can also skip the leaderboard for 1-2 questions.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yeah.
It will save their times. So
Okay,
this time
again, I
Neeraj
think nothing
is
is changed.
maintaining the first position. Very good, Neeraj.
कुछ change नहीं हुआ है इसमें. Yes.
Yes.
So
So
let's see the next question from thermodynamic.
yes, sir. Let's move.
This is the question from thermodynamic on your screen. Question number 13.
Yes, Liang too. We will try for that.
If the air is passed through the solid chemical absorbent and number of time a theoretical question, the name of the chemical absorbent is also asked in the exam. So I'll suggest to all of you, right, that after discussing this, then write somewhere the name of the chemical absorbent also. Silica is one of the example. Okay. So whenever air will pass through the solid chemical absorbent, then both the property or how these all the property will change. These all the things are mentioned in the question. First example is there that heating and dehumidification will be there. After that, cooling and dehumidification. After that, dry-bulb and specific humidity will increase. Dry-bulb and relative humidity will increase. Yes. Okay. Maybe the right answer. Praveen, what is the right answer? Okay. Yes, I think maximum of you have just selected the right answer, because when we talk about the chemical dehumidification, it is nothing but it is the example of adiabatic dehumidification, in which wet bulb temperature remain constant, dry bulb temperature increase, and specific humidity decrease. Absolutely right. Yes, absolutely right. Great. So let's see the next question, I think, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, Ayush, you are on top. No, Neeraj, you are on top.
Yes, still a difference is there. Fine. So
this is the next question from machine design.
Guys, this is question number 14. After that, 2 more questions are there. So this time, the question is once again from the bearing. Deep groove ball bearings are used for option A, heavy thrust loads only. Option B, small angular displacements of the shaft. Option C, radial load at higher speed. Option D, combined thrust and radial loads at higher speeds. So guys, answer it by having your time. Time is given so that you can think over it. And guys, those who have not joined the menti.com, still there is a chance to enter into the war. www.menti.com and use the code 60848639. Yes, guys, only 25 students on the Mentimeter. Come fast, join fast, guys. After that, one more question would be there from machine design, one more from the thermodynamics. Last 2 questions left. Come fast, come fast.
Okay.
Fine, बहुत बढ़िया. 20 students have given the right answer. Yes, you know, we find out the equivalent radial load because it can bear both radial and axial loads. Majorly radial, but smaller axial load it can bear. Also, we find out cubic mean load. So in all the cases, we have both radial and axial loads acting. Okay, so let us see 2 more questions left, guys.
Okay, so I think they more than 40%, I think it's now 39 till now. You are the 39 on your YouTube, and I'm expecting that 39 out of 39 will be on the menti.com, and you all guys will write the right next answer, because last question from the thermodynamic and last question from the machine design are left. So let's start that question. That question is, yes, it is on your screen. Question number 15, it's on your screen. Yes. All of you, try this question. An industrial heat engine receives the heat of 10 kilojoule at a temperature of 1000 Kelvin and reject at 300 Kelvin. What is the entropy change of the surrounding? What is the entropy change of the surrounding? It is not related to the system. It is not related to the heat engine. It is not related to the universe. It is the entropy change of the surrounding. And a very important word is mentioned somewhere. If we'll focus on that, then definitely we will give the right answer. You just go to menti.com and after that 25 seconds left, just log in and after that take the answer. Guru Raj. There is also one question from Mayank. Is it necessary that MSQ will be 2 marks? No, it is not necessary. One MSQ maybe from 1 marks, maybe from 2 marks also. Okay. Okay, very good. Right now, definitely maximum of you are in very good position because it is clearly mentioned. This is the example of the industrial heat engine, and in this industrial heat engine, entropy of the entire universe will increase. It means that entropy of the heat engine, that is a system, for a cycle will be zero. That only one thing will be left, that is the entropy change of the surrounding. Yes, answer is 15. Very good, very good. 15, answer A for Ahmedabad is the right answer. Yes. And this is last question on the screen from the machine design. Yes.
Yes,
This
guys,
is the
the
last
last
question.
question. After that, we will see the final scores. And this is the question from clutches. Hope everybody would give the right answer here. In the multiple disc clutch, N1 and N2 are the number of discs on driving and driven shaft, respectively. The number of pair of contact surface would be option A, N1 plus N2. Option B, N1 plus N2 minus 1. Option C, N1 plus N2 plus 1. Option D, N1 plus N2 by 2. Let us see how many of you give the right answer. I am expecting this time 100% of you would give the right answer. Guys, those who would be answering fast would get the extra point. And I feel the result of this Menti War is going to be very, very clear after this question. Let us see what happens. This is the final Menti War, guys. Final war. Okay. After that, we would be having some other sessions related to mock test. And we would be coming with the mock test, and where the entire team would be coming to take up their individual subjects questions. It would be a gate paper like thing. 24 out of 28 have given the right answer. So option 2 is correct. It is N1 plus N2 minus 1. Okay. So sir, let us see the final scores now.
Yes.
This was the last score. Yes, and guys, do
come on the YouTube, and after that let's
do like and share the session, guys, so that other student can also see these quality questions. Okay, 2 to 3 questions were easy, okay, like this question was, and some questions were very good as well. Okay, so we have made it a balanced paper with some more number of numericals as compared to the other previous words.
Okay, so let's see the leaderboard, and after that you guys have the number of questions. Let's try to discuss these questions. Yes, this is the final leaderboard. Okay, yes, Ayush, you are on top. Very good. Very
finally,
good. Great.
Finally, Ayush is on top.
Finally, sir, you won.
Yes, I feel, sir, last war also I won because of Ayush only. So yes, I feel so. This was a good one, but Neeraj also have done very well. Neeraj also very near.
Neeraj, and after that Putin, and finally yes, Lakshmikant. You all guys had just done a great job after 2-3 questions, because there was the problem in the starting with you. But after 4 or 5th question, you just started to fight with the number of questions, and after that you have just done a great job. So if you have any question, just feel free to ask in the comment section.
Sir, one student have posted a question that rivet joint is very confusing regarding straps. Dear, I feel you are worried about the double shear, the cases of double shear. So if you have any such problem, just join my Telegram channel, Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. There you can ask your queries. I would be answering it. Okay. So you just join that. So this was the final war, guys. With that, we have completed all the Menti wars. And now be ready. We will be coming with some of the generic sessions before gate exams, because I know that many of you would be feeling very much nervous because exam is very much very close to you, and many of you may be somehow demotivated. So we are going to help you in that. Okay, and how to attempt the paper. Regarding that, we will be having some of the sessions which will really help you. And at the same time, I would like some more things like, as you know, the exam is closer. So we would try to have one mock test like every year we do. And in that, you can expect the type of question you are having in GATE exam. We will try to add those type of questions in that. Okay. So be ready for that. And let's hope for the best, prepare for the worst. So this is my ultimate line, which I always used to say to the student. So, sir, I feel we shall close this. If any doubt, any question you want to ask, please ask in the comment section. We will answer here.
Okay, so any question you want to ask, feel free to write in the comment section. Otherwise, let's leave the session, leave and
Guys,
wind up the session.
Like the session before leaving.
Okay, Neeraj. So good night, all. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Just a minute, sir.